Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen Wealth Tips. Today, we're talking about how to force yourself to $1 million. If you're serious about building wealth and are ready to take control, then you're in the right place. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about learning the steps to turn yourself into a wealth-generating machine. Ready? Let's dive in. Mindset shift. Think like a millionaire. First things first. Before you make a single dollar, you need to start thinking differently. The mindset you bring to this journey will either set you up for success or keep you spinning your wheels. Most people view money as a struggle, something that happens to them. But millionaires? They think of money as something they control. They believe that financial freedom is achievable through their decisions and actions. So, how do you shift into a wealth-building mindset? Start with these 3 beliefs. 1. You believe that you're worthy of wealth. 2. You believe that money flows to value. And 3. You believe you have the power to create value. Let that sink in. If you understand that money flows to value, then your goal is clear. Become a person of value. Find the skills, the insights, and the expertise that set you apart, and leverage them to bring wealth into your life. Don't just be good, be exceptional. Millionaires don't settle for average, and neither should you. Set tangible, measurable goals. All right, now let's turn that mindset into action. Having $1 million is a dream, but a goal? That's something you can work toward every single day. Here's the difference. Dreams are vague, goals are specific and measurable. Let's break down that $1 million goal. Say you want to hit $1 million in 10 years. That means you need to earn around $100,000 per year from investments, savings, or income streams. Now, $100,000 is your yearly target. Break that down to $8,333 per month, or roughly $278 a day. Suddenly, that $1 million dream isn't so distant, is it? When you know exactly what you need, your actions become focused. You don't just wish for success, you plan for it. Write these goals down. Put them where you can see them every day. Visualize your progress. This constant reminder will force you to make the choices and sacrifices necessary to achieve it. The power of investing early. Compound interest. Now, here's one of the most powerful tools you can use: compound interest. This is how you make your money work for you, instead of the other way around. Let's say you invest $500 a month in a diversified portfolio that gives you a 10% annual return. That might not seem like much at first, but after 20 years, you'd have over $380,000. After 30 years, that grows to over $1 million. That's the magic of compounding. But to benefit from this, you have to start now. Don't wait for the perfect time. It doesn't exist. Even small, consistent investments add up. Every dollar you invest is like an employee working around the clock to bring back more dollars. Millionaires know that every day they aren't investing. They're losing potential income. So, make it a habit to invest consistently, even if it's a small amount to start. Develop high-income skills and multiple income streams. Here's the truth. A single income stream probably won't get you to $1 million. To reach that goal, you need multiple streams of income, and you need at least one of those to be a high-income skill. High-income skills are specialized skills that companies and clients will pay a premium for. Think of things like digital marketing, software development, sales, or copywriting. The demand for these skills is massive, and if you master one, you could easily make 6 figures on that skill alone. But don't stop there. Think beyond just one income source. If you're a marketing expert, consider teaching online, consulting, or even building a business that uses those skills. Every income stream is a step closer to your goal. Millionaires create systems that work for them, so they're making money even when they aren't actively working. Ruthless self-discipline and sacrifice. Okay, now we're getting to the part that separates the dreamers from the doers: self-discipline. Building wealth isn't easy. It requires sacrifice. You'll have to make choices that others might not understand. That might mean giving up the latest gadget, saying no to expensive vacations, or staying in on weekends to work on a side hustle. Every dollar saved or invested today is another step closer to financial freedom. Millionaires don't waste resources on things that don't align with their goals. They know their time and money are too valuable. This journey will test you. There will be moments when you doubt yourself, times when it feels easier to quit. But if you're serious about hitting that million, stay disciplined. Remember why you started and stay committed to the habits that will get you there. Networking and building valuable relationships. One last piece that's often overlooked: your network. Who you surround yourself with plays a huge role in your success. Millionaires know this, which is why they invest time in building relationships that uplift and motivate them. Start by finding people who share your ambitions or have already achieved what you want. If you're just starting, that could be joining online communities, attending industry events, or simply reaching out to people who inspire you. Surrounding yourself with the right people can lead to new opportunities, insights, and even partnerships that accelerate your growth. As the saying goes, your network is your net worth. The people you associate with will either pull you up or hold you back, so choose wisely. All right, let's recap. To force your way to $1 million, you need to shift your mindset, set specific goals, harness the power of compound interest, build high-income skills and multiple income streams, stay disciplined, and surround yourself with the right people. This journey won't be easy, but if you're committed, it's completely within reach. Start taking small, consistent steps and watch as those efforts compound over time. Remember, the difference between dreamers and millionaires is action, so take what you've learned today and put it to work. Thanks for watching NextGen Wealth Tips. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone else looking to build wealth. Let me know in the comments. What's the first step you're taking toward your million?